Hello, what's up everyone, this is Akash and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be talking about the Rynox Cypher GT riding jacket, which I have been using for more than a year now. At the front there is a Rynox badging. Inside also there are a few Rynox badgings. There is one with some instructions written there which I have not read so far. There is one Rynox logo at the back as well. Majority of the jacket is made up of a mesh kind of a material, so air can pass through it and is well ventilated and can be worn during a hot summer day as well. But in certain areas you can see that the light do not pass because of the chest protector. The back has the same material and you can see the light do not pass in certain areas because of the back protector there. Apart from the mesh material, another synthetic material has been used too. It is again an abrasion resistant material which in case of a fall or slide will provide protection to the skin. There is a small pocket provided on the left arm which can be used to store coins, maybe parking ticket or credit card, etc. There are two pockets provided on the both sides of the jacket which are deep enough to store a wallet or a phone, but there are no pockets on the inside. There are two adjustable Velcro straps on each arm so that we can adjust the fitting as per our requirement. There are two adjustable Velcro straps near the waist as well so that we can adjust the fitting near the waist area too. There is a CE certified level 2 back protector. Although the back protector is big, it do not add to any constraint in movement. Again, the shoulders have been taken care of by level 2 CE certified shoulder protectors. And even these protectors do not add any kind of discomfort in movement. There are level 2 CE certified elbow protectors which are big enough but again do not add any kind of discomfort. There are chest protectors as well, but these are normal protectors and are not graded with any kind of level or are not even CE certified. All these protectors have been locked using Velcro, so these can be easily removed without any problem. These reflectors at the front and back are added safety features which provide visibility to other vehicles at night. The overall quality of this jacket is very good with good quality stitchings, zippers and protectors. The only downside I feel about this jacket is the lack of provision to add any kind of rain or thermal liner. And that's it. This is my review about the Rynox Cypher GT riding jacket. Thank you for watching.